Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn some collocations, expressions and idioms with make. Make dollar, pound, euro, rupee or any other currency. I made 10,000 rupees selling my old sofa. Make a bid for, or make a takeover bid for. The company made a takeover bid for one of its rivals. Make a bet. He made a bet with his brother that he could finish his chores first. Make a difference. The way he treated his subordinates made a big difference in their performance. Make a bolt for. When he saw the police, he made a bolt for the door. Make a break for. They decided to make a break for the door. Make bed. When I lived in Bangalore, I had to make my bed before I went to college. Make a breakthrough. The company looks poised to make a significant breakthrough in China. Make a cake. I'll make a cake today. Make a call. Or make a phone call. Can you keep quiet for a second while I make a call? Make a choice. The salesman hurried the customer to make a choice. Make a comment. He made his comments at a news conference. Make a commitment. Once I have made a commitment, I don't even listen to myself. Make a complaint. I made a complaint to the manager about the poor service in the restaurant. Make a confession. Or make an admission. I need to make a confession. I am addicted to pasta. Make a contract. You shouldn't make a contract until you have studied its provisions carefully. Make a cup of tea or coffee. I need to learn how to make a cup of tea. Make a day, night, morning, afternoon, or evening of it. Make a day, night, morning, afternoon, or evening of it. Since we are going out to dinner anyway, let's make an evening of it and go to a movie afterwards. Make a deal. Let's make a deal. I'll work evenings if you work weekends. Make a decision. I haven't made a decision yet about what I'm going to wear to the party. Make a deposit. He asked for my bank details to make a deposit. Make a discovery. I felt I had made an incredible discovery. Make a dive for. He made a dive for cover when the shooting started. Make a donation. Would you like to make a donation to the college development fund? Make a dress. It's so annoying to drag out the sewing machine every time I want to make a dress. Make a fire. They found wood to make a fire. Make a fool of yourself. He made a fool of himself by turning up drunk to a TV chat show. Make a fortune. Those who got early in the Bitcoin trend probably made a fortune from its sudden growth. Make a fuss. Karen made a fuss when one of the store employees told her to put on her mask. Make a habit. Make a habit. I make a habit of never lending money to strangers. Make a joke. Make a joke. We tried to make a joke about our situation, but it wasn't really funny. Make a journey. Make a journey. I still use my car, but now I make fewer journeys. Make a judgment. Make a judgment. He refused to make a judgment about the situation. Make a list. Make a list. I need to make a list of all the things that I need to do this week. Make a living. Make a living. She works 3 jobs to make a living. Make a mess. Make a mess. He makes a mess whenever he tries to cook something. Make a mistake. Make a mistake. Whenever I made mistakes, my teachers corrected me. Make an error. Make an error. I think I have made an error. Make a move. Make a move. It's late. I think it's time we made a move. Make a note of. Make a note of. I'd better make a note of the dates, or I would forget. Make a pass at. Make a pass at. When I was sitting at the bar, a girl came up and made a pass at me. Make a pile. Make a pile. He made a pile selling computers and retired by the time he was 35. Make a play for. Make a play for. He made a play for the job, but didn't get it. Make a point. Make a point. She makes it a point to treat her employees fairly. Make a prediction. Make a prediction. 5 years ago, he made a prediction about how much Bitcoin prices would rise. Make a presentation. Make a presentation. I have been asked to make a presentation on the British colonial rule in India. Make a profit. Make a profit. Or make a loss. Make a loss. The main goal of every business is to make a profit. Make a promise. Make a promise. If you make a promise, you should fulfill it. Make a recovery. Make a recovery. He made a speedy recovery from COVID. Make a remark. Make a remark. The children made rude remarks about the old man. Make a request. Make a request. If you need the details, you need to make a request. Make a reservation. Make a reservation. I will call the restaurant and make a reservation. Make a rude gesture. Make a rude gesture. She made a rude gesture at the other driver. Make a salad. Make a salad. It only takes a minute to make a salad. Make a sandwich. Make a sandwich. I make a sandwich for breakfast. Make a snack. Make a snack. I thought Tom would make snacks for us. Make a sound. Make a sound. I was so worried I couldn't make a sound. Make noise. Make noise. I'm trying to sleep here. Stop making noise. Make a speech. Make a speech. My class teacher selected me to make a speech on Independence Day. Make a splash. Make a splash. The young actor is making quite a splash in Bollywood. Make a statement. Make a statement. The president stepped out to make a statement. Make a suggestion. Make a suggestion. Every time I try to make a suggestion, my boss interrupts and stops me. Make a threat. Make a threat. When the man said, "I'm fixing to blow it up," the people thought that he was making a threat. Make a visit. Make a visit. This is the wrong time to make a visit. Make a wish. Make a wish. Close your eyes and make a wish. Make a selection. Make a selection. It was not easy for us to make our selection. Make amends. Make amends. I wanted to make amends for the worry I have caused you. Make an agreement. Make an agreement. She and I made an agreement to start a partnership firm. Make an illusion. Make an illusion. She rejected his proposal after making an allusion to his baldness. Make an apology. Make an apology. You need to make her an apology for how you talked to her. Make an appearance. Make an appearance. I should get to the meeting. Make an appearance. Make an appointment. Make an appointment. I call the reception to make an appointment with the doctor. Make an arrangement. Make an arrangement. I need to make arrangements for the wedding. Make an attempt. Make an attempt. We both made an attempt to be friendly despite recent arguments. Make an effort. Make an effort. You can't learn English or any other language without making an effort. Make an inquiry. Make an inquiry. Or make an inquiry. Make an inquiry. I'll have to make a few inquiries and get back to you. Make an exception. Make an exception. You usually need to pay for this event, but I'll make an exception for you. Make an excuse. Make an excuse. The student didn't complete his homework and made excuses in front of the teacher. Make an impression. Make an impression. She made quite the impression on the interviewer. Make an issue of. Make an issue of. It's only a minor disagreement. Don't make an issue of it. Make an objection. Make an objection. We made an objection against the decision. Make an observation. Make an observation. The detective made an important observation when he noticed that the broken glass was outside the window. Make an offer. Make an offer. They made an offer which I couldn't refuse. Make assumption. Make assumption. Economists make certain assumptions. One such assumption is that humans are rational beings. Make believe. Make believe. Michael likes to make believe he's a pirate. Make breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or a meal. Make breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or a meal. I brushed and made breakfast. Make certain. Make certain. Make certain that the work is done. Make changes. Make changes. I have been sleeping very late for a month. I need to make some changes. Make clear. Make clear. She made it clear that she didn't want to be a part of the project. Make contact. Make contact. I wonder when we will make contact with the aliens. Make demands of someone or something. Make demands of someone or something. Video editing makes heavy demands on the computer's memory. Make ends meet. Make ends meet. Despite her meager income, she tried to make ends meet. Make food. Make food. I'll head home now. I have to make food for the kids. Make friends. Make friends. When I went to Bangalore, I found it hard to make friends. Make fun of someone. Make fun of someone. You should not make fun of someone who speaks broken English. It most likely means that they speak another language already. Make furniture. Make furniture. He specializes in making furniture. Make love. Make love. They made love under the sun. Make money. Make money. I like my job, but I don't make a lot of money. Make payment. Make payment. You will face interest charges if you don't make a payment within 30 days. Make peace. Make peace. If you want to make peace with your enemy, you have to work with your enemy. Then he becomes your partner. Make plans. Make plans. Don't make plans only to cancel later. Make progress. Make progress. We are not finished yet, but we are making progress. Make reference to. Make reference to. She made reference to our agreement. Make room. Make room. I had taken a big painting off the wall to make room. Make sense of something. Make sense of something. She tried to make sense of what was happening. Make someone angry, mad, happy, or sad. Make someone angry, mad, happy, or sad. He made his mother sad with his words. Make someone do something. Make someone do something. She made her sister finish her homework. Make something easy. Make something easy. She didn't make it easy for me to leave. Make sure. Make sure. Make sure to lock the doors before leaving the house. Make time. Make time. It's essential to make time for mindfulness. Make tracks. Make tracks. Come on everybody, let's make tracks for the show before it gets too late. Make trouble. Make trouble. Don't make trouble when I'm gone. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. I can't make up my mind about where to take my vacation. Make war. Make war. The new Prime Minister vowed to make war on corruption in London. Make an early start. Make an early start. We want to make an early start tomorrow. Make a stop. Make a stop. We'll make a stop when we get to the next petrol pump. Make the most of something. Make the most of something. We are only in Rome for a day, so let's make the most of it. Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home. When they arrived at my apartment, I showed my guests the sofa and said, "Make yourself at home. Make a beeline for. Make a beeline for." As soon as we reached home, he made a beeline for the toilet. Make a mountain out of a molehill. Make a mountain out of a molehill. You're making a mountain out of a molehill. You didn't submit one assignment. It doesn't mean you're going to fail. Make someone's day. Make someone's day. Seeing my daughter win her first award made my day. Make someone's blood boil. Make someone's blood boil. His hate-filled speeches towards stray dogs made my blood boil. Make your way. Make your way. This course will teach you how to build a career and make your way in the world. Make your presence felt. Make your presence felt. The new woman in the government already appears to be making her presence felt. Make yourself known. Make yourself known. You should make yourself known to the consulate as soon as you arrive in the country.